Padlet is an interactive online bulletin board or notice board that you can use for your online teaching and learning sessions to engage with your students and enhance their learning. It will allow you to share ideas, references, links with your learners, and also it will allow them to share ideas with each other. Essentially, you're building a digital community of your learners, which should give them a better learner experience. I really like Padlet, and I'm going to share with you 3 of the things that I love most about Padlet, and I hope this encourages you to get started and try it. I have been using Padlet on a master's course that I'm teaching on, and I've really found it a great way to engage with the students and allow for the conversation to continue after the initial teaching session. Padlet has a free version and a paid version, and the free version is actually really good. You are limited to only having 3 Padlet boards, and so this may be a limitation for you, but actually you can delete them and add new ones, so it may be fine for you to use the free version. The paid version has a few extra features, including the ability to upload files of a larger file size, so you can have a look, but definitely try out the free version anyway. The first thing I really like about Padlet is that you can customize the board to change the appearance. You can set the layout of the board in different ways. So you could have a wall, a grid, you could have shelves or timelines, and this depends how you want it to look. Do you want it in neat columns or in one feed, or do you want it to be a bit more random with a notice board kind of feel? You can also customize the colors and the background. You can add an image or a gradient or change the color. But you can also change the colour of the actual posts themselves. So you might want to put all the videos in one colour or all the references in another colour. This sounds simple, but it actually helps make the board look more interesting, and I think that encourages your students to come back to it and engage with it more. The second thing I really like about Padlet is that there's options to customise how your students interact with the board. So you can turn on comments, for example, so you can allow students to comment on other people's posts. You can turn on reactions separately, so allow students to like or upvote certain comments. You can turn on or off attribution, so do you want your students to post anonymously, or do you want their names to be attributed to their comments and therefore they need to register to join your board? You also have the option of being able to moderate the posts so that they would need approval from you or from another admin person before posting. So you can really choose how to adapt these settings to whatever suits your teaching and your learners. And the third thing I really like about Padlet is that it's very flexible in what types of files you can upload. And they also all look a bit different, which makes the board look more interesting. So you can upload any file type, videos, images, screenshots, you can upload audio files. It also has the ability for your learners to draw, or for you to draw to share ideas. And you can also allow learners or yourself to screencast, so to share what your desktop's showing. And this can allow for them to share any troubleshooting problems they're having or to help share any ideas. So these are 3 of the great things that I really like about Padlet. Have a go and have a play around and let me know what you like about it or what you don't like about it in the comments. Please try it out and I hope you find it useful.